The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Flagler County in northeastern Florida, southeastern St. Johns County in northeastern Florida, until 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:57 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Marineland, or near Palm Coast, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Flagler and southeastern St. Johns counties. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.